Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, nobody expected such a bullishness in the first 1 hour. And we opened higher than what SGX Nifty indicated. And we moved significantly higher. At one point of time, the Nifty almost touched 16,400. I think the high is 16,399 point something. And then came the selling as usual, as and when markets move higher. So some FIAs use that as an opportunity to sell. And the selling was so huge that Nifty broke 16,200 on the downside. The Nifty future fell more than 200 point intraday, and that has become everyday norm. And then again shot up more than 150 point in just one 15-minute candle. 130 to 145, just that 15-minute candle, Nifty shot up nearly 100 point. And then again fell, so it was going all over the places. The markets were just too volatile to handle. And it's going to be like this only. And since morning, Reliance Industries and TCS, they both were helping the bulls. And though Reliance was swinging, but it significantly closed higher. I think from day before yesterday low to today's high, I think the Reliance has shot up nearly 180, 200 rupees. But on the other hand, HDFC twins. Today, the whole selling came because of this HDFC twins. Even when the market was very good, both HDFC and HDFC Bank were trading in negative, and they were hugely volatile also. It's not that since morning it was trading in negative, it went to positive, then came down, So 50, 60 rupees move is quite common in HDFC, and HDFC Bank also moves very, very violently. And today, it was only FMCG and Pharma stocks were in green, whereas on a close-to-close basis, all other sectoral indices were down. And why FMCG was higher? Ahead of the ITC results, people must have covered some shorts. And Hindustan Unilever, anyway, it is beaten down already. So today, ITC and Hindustan Unilever both went higher. In fact, they are the two among the top 5 contributors for Nifty on the higher side. So, one significant thing which I observed in today's market, which I have never seen in my lifetime, and today the Nifty future was trading almost 40-45 point discount to the spot. Forget about the current month, the second month and third month, the far month, July series. Even the July series future was trading at discount to the spot, which I have not seen even during coronavirus period and even during Lehman Brothers collapse period. And such is the conviction of the short sellers. No matter where the cash market, these people kept on shorting the futures. And then finally, we have seen the result. It was too volatile. It fell more than 200 point intraday. And, this kind of consensus shorting is actually dangerous to the market. And why? If there is any good news, there is any gap up, one more good rally will wipe out these short sellers. But I don't know whether it will happen or not. But as of now, people are just going crazy in shorting the market. They just close their eyes and they short the market. So, clearly today's big rally in the morning, just look at the markets. Yesterday low was 15,750 and today high is 16,400. So that means, how much? I think day before yesterday low was 16,750. Just in 2 trading sessions, like it about 650 point. And it's a huge move. And this May series, as I've been telling you, it's a complete mayhem. And trading is becoming very, very difficult in this market. And corporate results from US also seems to be very bad. And today a big retail chain, Target, has come out with a disappointing results and it is down 22%. And US markets are even more crazy. Yeah, such a big companies can open 20-25% gap up or 20-25% gap down. And yesterday another big chain, Walmart, also fell about 12%, and now in the pre-market it's down another 2%. So as I told you, the Dow was higher for the last 3 days, and in a bear market normally more than 3 days continuous green is very, very difficult. So in case today US markets turn green, then we can say, it's not a bear market, the bottom has been made. So in a bull market, normally more than 3 days market do not close in red, and in a bear market normally more than 3 days markets do not close in green. So in that sense, today US price action is very, very important. At the end of the day, FIAs have sold 1,250 crore, while the domestic institutions have bought for 375 crore. And I can tell you, this figure of 1,250 crore is the lowest selling figure of FIAs in the May series. But market can make such a big move. Why? That is because we only look at the net sell figure only. But if you look at the gross figure, it tells a different story. And today, FIA, a group of FIAs have sold for more than 10,000 crores. Then another group of FIAs have bought for more than 9,000 crore. So therefore, the net works out to be 1,250 crore, but otherwise there's a huge amount of buying as well as the huge amount of selling. The only thing is the selling figure is more than the buying figure. And this huge amount of buying and selling only makes the market too much volatile. And as of today, FIA's sell figure in the month of May, May series, not month of May, May series, because like one trading session in the April end also comes under May series. And the selling has crossed 40,000 crores. And in the past 1 year, on the worst months, FIAs have sold 40,000 to 45,000. And I think 45,000 was the highest figure. But as of now, they have already crossed, I think about 41,000 crore. And we still have how many more trading sessions? We still have 6 more trading sessions. So as I told you already, the May series may be the highest selling after the coronavirus. And during March 2020, during the pandemic period, and that was the month they have sold for 65,000 crore, and that was the highest selling by FIAs, and now they are coming closer to that. But another thing, though they have sold for 65,000 crore, the few months before or few months after, the figures were considerably lower. But now the problem is that almost on a month-on-month basis, they are selling more than 40,000 crore. So I can tell you this is the worst possible FIA selling in the history of Indian stock market. We wait for US markets. We hope that at least US market recovers. SGX Nifty is already down by about 30-40 points. So we will see what happens tomorrow, and be assured tomorrow also weekly expiry, the markets are likely to be hugely volatile. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.